It's a really exciting time to be involved in Windows and to be part of Centra, because more and more the marketplace, whether it is the BC Energy Step Code evolving or just the overall design aspect of buildings becoming more cohesive, it's very important to get Centra involved very early on, because we're able to contribute from our experience and make sure that your project is a success. We are finding that window design is becoming more and more technical, so having window geeks, window experts on your side is going to be more and more important. So I feel like that we're in a great position right now, whether it's the marketplace or just entire design community is becoming more and more integrated. So having a larger team on your side can only benefit the project.